there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head in an epic battle of the skies. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS110D, aka Holy Moly, and on the right, the TENSSENX GPS Drone, aka Tenacious T. Buckle up because this is going to be a fun ride. Holy Moly comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, making it perfect for those of us who want to fly high without our bank accounts crashing and burning. On the other hand, Tenacious T dares to ask for $169. It's like the drone equivalent of upgrading from a bicycle to a Ferrari. But does the extra cash bring extra flash? Reviewers note that Holy Moly offers great value for its price, whereas Tenacious T is considered a bit pricey, but packed with advanced features. Holy Moly sports a 1080p FOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. It's decent for capturing some good shots, though it's not for professional filmmaking. Reviewers appreciate its camera for casual use. Meanwhile, Tenacious T flexes with a 4K ultra-clear camera, 120 degrees wide angle, and 90 degrees adjustable. It's perfect for those who want every detail captured in high definition. Reviewers rave about its superior camera quality, making it ideal for budding aerial photographers. Holy Moly comes with two modular batteries that give you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. Reviewers mention that, while the battery life is a bit short, it's sufficient for quick flights. Tenacious T, however, offers a whopping 52 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. That's almost an hour of aerial adventure. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time, highlighting it as a significant advantage. Holy Moly features altitude hold, headless mode, mobile control, and even some fancy 3D flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, though some reviewers note that it might take a bit of time to master all its functions. Tenacious T is on another level with GPS auto-return, optical flow, and intelligent functions, like tracing and following you, flying along set paths, and taking photos when you pose. Reviewers love its advanced features, making it feel like a high-end device. Holy Moly is your standard drone. Functional, reliable, but not winning any beauty contests. Reviewers appreciate its durability and simplicity. Meanwhile, Tenacious T comes with a carrying case and a foldable design. It's compact, portable, and sparks joy according to reviewers who love its convenience and sleek look. Reviewers found Holy Moly to be a great beginner drone with a good balance of features and affordability. Its durability and ease of use are often praised, though its camera and battery life have some room for improvement. Tenacious T, on the other hand, is celebrated for its advanced features, superior camera quality, and extended battery life. While it is more expensive, reviewers feel it offers excellent value for its price. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you're on a budget and just getting started, Holy Moly is a great pick. But if you're ready to splurge and want all the bells and whistles, Tenacious T is your go-to drone. Both have their pros and cons, so choose the one that fits your needs and wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Happy flying, and remember, always buy smart.